Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be redecorating the shelving units, transforming these with spring decorations. I am super excited for this video. These shelves are in much need of a transformation. If this is something you think you'll enjoy, then please keep watching. I thought it would be really fun to sketch out this image here on the right, these blue doors. So I think this will be really pretty as part of our Easter decor shelf. Yeah, wish me luck. So I haven't actually practiced my drawing skills in a long time, so wish me luck.
So why are we sketching a picture for our Easter decor shelf, you may ask? Well, I think this will provide some depth to our decor, and I definitely envision either photographs or sketches in frames on the shelf leaning up against the wall to provide a nice background for our shelf as opposed to just putting items there. This will also create more texture too in our decor. I also really like the idea of sketches in frames. I think it's just really cool and a subtle piece of decor to add. I may decide not to color this in as well. I also really love pictures, paintings, photographs of European architecture. That's why I'm drawing this. I think it's an English door here. I just think it's so beautiful. And if this piece works out, I could potentially keep this up all year round if I really like it. So wish me luck. I really hope this piece works out well. So let's talk about this technique for a bit. You're probably wondering why I have my ruler out to draw. So what I do is use a reference picture and choose a point or a dot to measure, and I capture those measurements from the right side and from the top of the picture, so 2 measurements. Then I measure out the same point or dot onto my sketch pad. And once I have measured out a few dots on my sketch pad, then I draw between the dots, connecting them. So the more dots, ideally, that you measure out, the more accurate your drawing will be. So this method helps to make sure my drawing has accurate proportions and will hopefully be as close to the original picture as possible. That's the goal. So I'm going to quickly pause creating decor for our shelf and quickly show you this gorgeous brunch I put together. My husband was having the time of his life. So here are some old frames I found that I thought would be perfect for framing the sketch I have created. All I have to do now is paint these white. Voila, the frames are now painted. The color of the paint I use is white cotton blossom from Home Depot. Okay, so now it is finally time to start decorating our shelves. But first I just need to dust and clean them a little.
So, little Chino was having some fun with the goose. So what I'm gonna do is glue back some of the pieces together on the flowers. It was just the flowers that kind of fell apart. So I'm just gonna glue them back together right now with the hot glue gun. What did you do to Mrs. Goose? Yeah. What did you do to Mrs. Goose? You ripped off her flowers. Poor Mrs. Goose.
I bought these little farm animals from Michael's. I think they are just so cute and perfect for spring and Easter decor. So here we have the mother goose. So this bunny I bought from the dollar store, believe it or not. Bunnies are very much essential for spring decor, for sure. This little piggy is my absolute favorite. It's actually the first piece I purchased a few years back, and now it seems like I'm purchasing the whole collection. Champagne toast! This candle was gifted to me for my mom. It's from Bath & Body Works. I think the pastel pink will go really well on this shelf. I'm going to add a nod to Cinderella with this glass slipper. I don't know, in my mind it just makes sense to add a piece of Cinderella to our spring shelf. This tiny gold candlestick I think will go really well with our Cinderella moment. So here we have the iridescent pieces. I really wanted to add iridescent pieces because they have a combination of the pastel colors, and this egg was from Walmart. And here we have an itty bitty topiary plant, artificial of course, for Michael's. The real ones are so expensive. Queen bee. This little sign is also for Michael's, of course. I'll probably reuse it in my office. I just had to get the cow for Michael's as well. He's just so adorable. And the little birdie with the flower crown. I don't know how I'm going to decorate this one because it's attached to a stick. Oh, there we go. He balances on the Alexa perfectly. Okay, so I really wanted to add a second picture. I was running out of time to sketch something new, so instead I did a really quick watercolor painting. I know it's not my best work. It's floral abstract art. So I really wanted to add a floral arrangement to my spring decor. So here I had some dried leaves, bunny grass, and silver dollar in a vase, and the vase happens to also be iridescent to go with some white iridescent pieces.
Got some more items to add to the shelf. So excited.
I mean, how cute would it be to add a chick to our spring decor? I just had to buy this chick. He is so adorable. To be honest, I don't remember what I purchased in this package, but now I have a shelf with a chick, duck, and a goose. I was trying to find pieces to add that weren't animals, so I did find this nest also for Michael's. Our spring and Easter shelves are finally complete. I am really happy with the outcome. I can't wait to add more decor next year, hopefully. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and ring the bell notification to stay tuned in for my next project. Happy spring, and bye for now, everyone.